Thinking about the notion of reimagining, something that certainly captured my attention with my colleagues at UTEP, the new focus or the renewed focus on aerospace development. How does the chamber position itself, or where are you thinking about this notion of aerospace and defense, especially in terms of reimagining the economy of El Paso and sort of the rollout to other parts of the economy?
Well, the chamber in 2021 especially is trying to be, let's say, hugely efficient in how we approach things, and we're trying to land on things that we think will, help us rebuild and reimagine our economy. One area where I think this is especially as important is to dovetail and leverage the outstanding work that has been done at UTEP over the years to make itself an R1 research institute. There's only about 130 of them, I think, in the United States, and the idea there is that if you have hundreds of millions of dollars or tens of millions of dollars going into research, how do we leverage that as a community? Where can that take us? And aerospace and defense and additive manufacturing and high technology manufacturing are areas that we think, in working with UTEP, we have a chance at actually making a dent in that. It's very hard to carve out a new area for an economy. But it is possible with diligence and hard work. And we think, dovetailing on the hard work that's already been done by UTEP, we have a chance at actually really doing something meaningful here. And the gist of it is that, at least from the Chamber's perspective, is not only to follow the great leadership of like Dr. Wicker and Dr. Chidori and things in this sort, and Heather Wilson's presidency and things of this sort, but it's also about, from our perspective, can we go through our community of businesses, especially those that have manufactured already, inventory them, understand what they're good at, and augment through our coaching activities again what they're not good at. And then therefore have an idea of what clusters might exist, or certainly what the current state of play is. And then leveraging some of these relationships that exist already with the university in aerospace and defense, for example, can we get them into that supplier chain? We know who they are. We've done what we think we need to help them deal with quality certifications or things of this sort. I think it would be an outstanding return on investment. So it'll be a little bit of work. I mean, we've got a lot of companies to go through, but when we know who they are, we'll have a catalog and also of what they're good at, like I said, and what they might want some help at. We get all that done, I think we have a decent shot of propelling that particular part or segment of our community forward in ways we haven't done before.